Hello students, Dr. Poonam here. Today in this video, I will discuss the famous play Final Solutions written by Mahesh Dattani. This play presents the voice of subaltern who suffer from upcoming prejudices and react against the passionate and even violent hatred. The play deals with larger issues of socio-political life such as the search for identity, individual, communal and social, loss of faith and security, continuous anger against the other community. The play is set against the riots after the demolition of the mosque, almost after in the communal riots in the states like Gujarat and others all over the country. Final Solution is written by Mahesh Dattani. Now I will tell you about Mahesh Dattani, about the author of the play. Who is Mahesh Dattani? Mahesh Dattani is an Indian director, actor, playwright and writer. He wrote some brilliant plays such as Final Solutions, to which I am discussing today. Dance Like Men, Dance Like a Man, Bravely Fought the Queen, On a Muggy Night in Mumbai, Tara, 30 Days in September, The Big Fat City, and The Murder That Never Was. He is the first playwright in English to be awarded the Sahitya Academy Award. His plays have been directed by eminent directors like Arvind Gaur, Alec Padamsee, and Lilette Dubey. Now come to the awards of the author, the achievements of the author Mahesh Dattani. Dance Like a Man has won the award for the best picture in English, awarded by the National Panorama in 1998. Sahitya Academy Award for his book of plays Final Solutions and other plays. Sahitya Kala Parishad selected Final Solutions in 1997, Tara in 2000 and 30 Days in September 2007 as Best Productions of the Year directed by Arvind Gaur. Now come to the story, come to the novel Final Solutions. This novel is written in 3 acts. Now today we will discuss Act 1. In Final Solutions, a character Daksha as Hardika. She is a newly married girl and she is writing her diary on March 31, 1948. As we know that I am telling you that Final Solutions has taken the issues of the majority communities in different contexts and situations. It talks of the problems of cultural hegemony, how Hindus had to suffer at the hands of Muslim majority, like the characters of Hardika or Daksha. Hardika and Daksha both are the same in Husainabad, and how Muslims like Javed suffer in the setup of the majority Hindu community. This all resulted in communal riots and culminated in disruption of the normal social life and thus hampered the progress of the nation. There is a mob in the play. It is symbolic also, and the mob is symbolic of our own hatred. As I told you that Daksha is Hardika also. In the later is, her name is Hardika. She is a newly married girl. She is writing her diary. She is not happy with her in-laws because her in-laws are not so modern. Daksha has a good taste for the songs of Shamshad Begum, Noor Jahan, etc. She is a good singer also and she wants to become a singer. She likes the songs of Noor Jahan and Shamshad Begum. Daksha met a Muslim girl, Zareen, and in a course of time they became fast friends. Next in the novel, in the play, plays like Final Solutions by Mahesh Dattani, violence marks the boundaries of the community. Violence marks the limits of community. Violence occurs at or beyond the limit. Daksha of the 1940s is now Hardika in her old age. She has seen communal violence in all its aspects, fight from the days of its partition that divided the nations, and after the partition there have been many occurrences such as the riots after the demolitions of the Babri Mosque and the riots in Gujarat after the Godhra episode. Daksha is now called Hardika. Daksha is exposed to the presence and possibility of violence. Her friendship with Zareen is not understood in its right perspective by all. It is not liked. The friendship of Daksha with Zareen is not liked by all. Scene 2. Now the scene shifts to the present in a town of Gujarat. Daksha is an old woman now. Voices of mobs outside. As I told you that mob in this play is symbolic. Mob plays a very important role. It is symbolic of our hatred. Each member of the mob is an individual, yet they meet into one seething whole as the politicians play on their fears in this play. The chorus continuously sings sometimes under the mask of Hindus and sometimes under that of Muslims, revealing their feelings of fear and hatred for one another. When the chariot leading the procession is broken and the pujari is killed, the Hindus must sing, "How dare they?" This is the main problem. How dare they? They broke our chariot and failed our gods. This is our land. How dare they? The mob or the chorus, comprising 5 men and 10 masks on sticks, 5 Hindu and 5 Muslim masks, are the omnipresent factor. Throughout the play, now Muslim in mass sings, "They hunt us down. They are afraid of us. They beat us up. We are few, but we are strong." The scenes of the play take place inside the outside Ramni Gandhi's house. Smita, granddaughter of Hardika. She is the granddaughter of Hardika. She is taking on the phone, informed by her friend Tasneem. Smita has a friend named Tasneem. She is also a Muslim girl. That some bomb has blasted in her hostel. Ramnik is Smita's father. Smita's father Ramnik, he is the son of Hardika, takes the phone from her and talks to Tasneem's family. Then arguments of Javed and Bobby, 2 Muslim boys. Sudden entry of Hindu men. They question them and search them. Skull cap in the pocket of Bobby. The Hindu men see that there is a skull cap in the pocket of Bobby and it is a sign of Muslim. They say that he is a Muslim boy. Bobby and Javed both are Muslim boys. They reach the door of Ramnik's house. Arrival of mob at the door of Ramnik. So, the scene of the play take place inside and outside Ramnik Gandhi's house, where Ramnik has given 2 Muslim boys shelter from the violent mob outside. He has given them the shelter because violent mob is there outside of the house in the street. The mob is in the form of a chorus, changing its guise into Muslims and Hindus through masks and songs inside a Hindu family. is sharply divided over giving shelter to the unknown Muslim youths in the midst of communal frenzy and violence. Even after 50 years of independence, people have not been able to forget their enmity and bias against each other. Muslims against Hindus and Hindus against Muslims. In this play, two young men, Javed and Babban, are hired to disrupt social harmony, while others like Hardika's parents-in-laws have secretly burnt the shop of their Muslim friend with the selfish end of buying it at reduced price. Final Solution is based on the apparently friendly relationship between Muslims and Hindus and the simmering currents of hatred beneath. Next, Aruna. There is another character in the play, Aruna. She is wife of Ramani Gandhi and she is the daughter-in-law of Hardika, who does not like Muslims in her house because the two Muslim boys have entered in their house. So she doesn't like the Muslim boys in her house. She forces her husband to throw them out. The family unit comprises members of different age groups, symbolic of past and present, stretching the plot to over a period of half a century. Young people like Smita, Bobby and Javed present the future and Ramnik and Aruna the present, while Hardika, the grandmother of Smita, is sometimes presented in Daksha, past. Daksha in past. A 15-year-old newly married young girl writing her diary, and then as her grandmother in her late 60s, present, teaching her children and revealing the family's past. Ramnik refuses when Aruna says that why the two Muslim boys are in our house. She forces her husband to throw them out, but Ramnik refuses. Ramnik talks to Bobby and Javed, and then Smita comes and she recognizes them. Thank you very much. We will discuss the next story of Final Solution in my next video. Thank you very much.